What if the answers you've been searching for were already within you? Every day we carry stress, pain, uncertainty, whether we're looking for clarity, healing, or peace. But what if transformation was possible?
Welcome to Transform Your Life with me, Dr. Master Sha.
An empowering new YouTube show bringing ancient wisdom into your modern-day journey. Learn practical tools, receive real healing, and awaken the power that already lives inside you. From Tao calligraphy to energy healing, from spiritual teachings to real-life breakthroughs, this is more than a show. It's a path back to who you truly are. Subscribe now and begin your journey today. New episodes every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
So Master Sha, for our first-time viewers, could you share with us about the power of your Tao transformative art?
I'm delighted. So I learned this art from a Professor Li Qiuyun, who was the professor in Toronto University. United Nations honored her as a Chinese language expert. And she traveled to China, to Tsinghua Beida University, the top university in China, every year before her 100 years old. She lived more than 100 years old. After I learned from her, I said, I want to this art become a Tao transformative art. She said, go ahead. She said, I use Yi Bizi. She learned from the Qing Dynasty last emperor's teacher. And she said, we use for beauty, we are now used for healing. Because I was in the healing field since a teenager until now. So I put the components. So when I read these words, I connect with the source, ultimate source, Tao. Then Tao put the invisible love light inside. So therefore, this is it's called Tao transformative art. This calligraphy, Da He Xie. Da means greatest, He Xie means harmony. Greatest harmony. Our health, our relationship, our finance needs greatest harmony for all life. Okay, now everybody put your hand here. This is a field, a creative field. Source, this is energy field. Light field. Everybody, we taste a little bit. So usually when you trace the art, take 15 minutes per time or even longer, and 2 or 3 times a day. For chronic and serious condition, and people, you heard, we had quite a few interviews. So the experienced people, medical professionals, and all kinds of healing modalities, they use Tao calligraphy sometimes for 1 hour a day, even longer. So 50 minutes per time. We just show you how to do. You need to practice more. How? Put a finger here. Choose one area. Tao calligraphy field. It carries the positive information, energy matter for our pain, inflammation, growth, whatever you have. It could help you to transform negative information for transformation. How? 3 times. Da He Xie. He means harmony. Every pain, inflammation, and disease, tumor, every emotional imbalance, anger, depression, fear, worry, are all due to disharmony of energy, matter, spirit. One more time. So I said, this is, you cannot count just for the few time, 2 or 3 minutes, receive such a heart-touching result. No, you need to learn the way, then you practice more after the show. How? Second way is, I call Tao Sang. Calligraphy is art, Tao is the source. Source pull the love light. source, love, light, frequency, vibration, most positive information, energy, matter with the calligraphy that create a field to the source. So the Dao Sound is a singing. When we singing, we connect with the source. Join together. Put the finger together, everybody here. Da He Xie, connect with invisible light, come to your body, to your life. Da He Xie, Da He Xie, Da He Xie, Da He Xie. Great is harmony. 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 Everybody close eyes. You do not do anything. It just takes a little bit. You need more practice. I just send a Dao calligraphy field, love, light, frequency, vibration with my Dao Sound together to one part of the body. How? Relax. Dao Sound. It's not Chinese, not English. The source, whatever I receive is yours. Hey ya ya ya. Hey ya ya you ya yo. Hey ya 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 yi ya yo. Hey ya yo ya. Hey ya yo. Hey ya ya hey ya ya hey ya ya yo. Hey ya yo ya ya hey. Yo hey, you ya ya you ya yo, you ya you ya yo, yi ya yo hey, yo hey, you ya you ya you ya you ya ya hey, yo hey. Yo hey. In every episode of Transform Your Life, I want to share with you a story of hope and transformation of someone who has experienced a breakthrough in their life. Miracles happen every day. Watch this everyday miracle and feel encouraged and inspired. Today could be a day for your miracle.
Hi, my name is Dr. Concepcion Martinez. I'm a traditional Western medicine doctor for over 20 years. I'm a board-certified OBGYN, and currently I'm practicing telemedicine. I heard about Master Sha from Her Holiness Saima. I was honored to be able to meet Master Sha in person. I came to this event for a healing. Today, I primarily focused on my hearing. Medically, no specific issue has been identified. I've been offered hearing aids. I declined. I have to really focus on people's speech, read lips, interpret body language, facial expressions to have a clearer idea of what they're speaking about. Today, while I was in the audience, he gave a group healing, and I had asked for a healing in my right ear, specifically for hearing acuity. During the blessing, I heard a pop in my ear, and I could easily hear. Previous to the blessing, my hearing felt very muffled. Afterwards, it felt very clear. Master Sha asked me to come up on stage, and he asked me to close my eyes, and I could hear him clearly. He moved on the stage, and I could actually hear him as he was speaking to me from behind, and I could hear him very clearly. I'm very blessed. I'm very thankful to Master Sha. I encourage everyone to explore Tao technology, either as a supplement to your medical treatment or as a standalone treatment. I'm very blessed. Thank you.
Love you, love you, love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.